Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw funds from your HeroFX account. First, I'm going to show you in my wallet I have $21.50. You have to make sure your account is verified, as you can see on the top right. I'm going to go to my accounts and I have a Hero10x account. So once I wait for this to load, I click on the account and then you wait for this one to load, and then you can click on withdraw profits. So this is a $2,500 account. I have $2,517 on it, as you can see. So you have to make sure all your trades are closed, and then you click on this, you enter the amount. I'm gonna put in 17.63. I'm gonna withdraw. It's gonna load. Once it is done, as you can see, my wallet now has $39. You can press on withdraw, you press the coin you want to withdraw, confirm, enter the amount 39.13, then the currency, and this is gonna ask for additional information. You enter the wallet address and you'll get paid out within 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below.